may kaibigan ako si Emma na may partner siya. Tapos, parang one day, bigla siya naka-feel na parang there's something uncomfortable down there sa kanya.
Paano uncomfortable? Pain or?
Parang
something is different.
basta something's different. I don't know if it was like itchy or like something like that. Basta something was different. Something felt uncomfortable. Tapos, pumunta siya mag-isa talaga sa hospital, sa OB-GYN. Tapos nagpa-check siya. Tapos, syempre, first time niya yun. First time niya na maka-experience ng ganun. First time niya to go to an OB. Tapos, ang dami niyang anxieties and fears about it. Pero pagdating niya doon,
May okay na pala siya.
Diba? Iba yun.
Biglang lumabas no?
Reset!
Sorry, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
I just had to.
Okay naman pala.
Ayun, okay naman pala. Like, hindi ka naman i-judge ng doctor
Yeah.
At meron din namang yung patient confidentiality, ganyan-ganyan.
Privacy Act.
And kinausap lang siya ng doctor na parang adult. Na okay, how many partners have you had? How many current partners do you have? Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, in-inspect nung doctor yung Tapos, syempre, uncomfortable at first, pero yung doctor is just there to do their job. And, ayun. Tapos, doon din siya na-inform about yung parang, is it HPV vaccine? Hindi ko sure kung ano yung tawag. Pero basta, there's
Human
a vaccine
papilloma.
na it's for all types of sexual diseases.
Marami
Ganyan.
yes.
So, ayun. Kasi nagkaroon pala siya ng parang STI naman. Parang
STI.
sexually transmitted
Infection.
infection. Not a
Oo.
disease, pero infection. Na-infect lang. So, kailangan talaga ng gamot. So, ayun.
Yes, kaya don't be afraid or shy to go and see your doctor for that.
And guys, sobrang ang daming contraceptive na
Yes.
pwede.
Meron na nga din
dami.
injection din no?
Yeah, merong implant na sa arm. Meron ding implant doon.
Yeah.
Meron ding, if sensitive ka, syempre may birth control pills and then there's condoms. But if you're sensitive to yung mga hormonal changes, meron ding copper IUD. That doesn't change anything sa hormones
It's
mo.
just like a barrier lang
as
sa
in, it's just a copper na sobrang
that
liit
kills
na
the
nilalagay
sperm
inside.
once it gets in.
So, ang daming ways and the internet is there, Google is there. And alam ko, if I'm not mistaken, you can go to your local yung local health center. Ayun, pwede ka dun magpa-consult.
Yeah, and also like importante just another like kumbaga family planning, no? Like contraceptive. Hindi siya full-blown contraceptive, pero it's important talaga to know your menstrual cycle. Kasi dun mo malalaman if you're ovulating or not. So if malaman mo na nag-ovulate ka na, wag ka mag-ano ha. Wag ka kung naano talaga yung partner mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, okay. So kung ayaw mo talaga maging tatay, not today.
Ito naman for guys na reproductive health. Kasi alalahanin niyo pag nagsisex kayo, wala masyadong contraceptive sa lalaki, condom lang. Lahat puro nasa babae.
Well, pwede. They'll just,
Kapon.
Pakapon ka. Pero
nababalik naman
basta be mindful lang na sa partner mo. Like, alagaan mo yung partner mo, lalo naman kasi kayo. Kasi katawan ng babae, nasa kanya yung risk
Whether partner or one-night stand
or kahit
mo
one-night stand lang, ganun. Maging responsable ka. Suot ka ng condom, or
kapag nag-party ka that night and you know that you wanna hook up, dala ka na.
Yeah, kasi hindi mo rin alam kung kasi minsan yung mga diseases and infections, it's dormant. Like, nandyan lang yan. Hindi mo alam na meron ka pala. Tapos pwede mo palang maipasa sa ibang tao. Kaya din important yung condom.
be mindful of the ladies, guys. Kawawa naman sila.